Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to do the new trend nail design Milky Ombre. So first you need to choose a color base. For that I will use a neon color. So I will first apply a white base. Why? Because all the neon color will come brighter if you use it on top of a white base. So I just apply first my white base. Is a gel paint white from Nails Company. I will cure it for like 30 seconds and then I will apply my pigment. I find this pigment box in Amazon, so I will just put the link on the description area. I will also use this ombre brush I find as well on Amazon. All the link of the product I will use will be on the description area anyway. So because I will use a pigment color, I need to apply first a gel base coat, cure it for just 30 seconds, and then I will apply the pigment on top. So to apply the color, I will use my finger. I will apply a little bit of pigment, just a little bit is enough. Because it will tint very well the nails, so no need to apply to put too much powder, if not it will look very messy. Then I will use my brush and I will just fade the color, make sure everything look a bit flawless. No need to do like a perfect gradient or ombre, just because you will cover it after with the Milky gel. So you can select the same base color. Me for this look I would like to use like a different neon color, so I will do like a different style for every nails, but you can do with exactly the same color as well. I will probably do another one, by the way, with the same color because they look very nice as well. So now your color is done. We will now apply a gel base coat again, just to protect the pigment. And it will be more easy after to apply the Milky and to do the ombre. So when it's done, just cure your gel for 1 minute. Don't clean it. We will use it like that for the next step. So because I don't have a Milky gel, I will use my Breeder clear gel and I will mix a bit of white inside just to give this Milky effect. So I will apply a thin coat on all the nails first. I will not cure it, but it will just help me to create the ombre. So make sure there's not too much gel on it, just a thin coat first. Then I will apply a big quantity of Milky gel. I will apply in the center of my nails. Then with a nail art brush, I will come very softly. I will stretch the gel on every side, just to make like an ombre look. So make sure every side are done, and when it's all done, then I will take my nails. So I will flip it down to the gel, retract to the center. Because the gel melt, it will all, as you can see, it have completely retract in the center. So now I will do exactly the same. I hope you understand, because with my English, I really hope you understand what I mean. But yeah, so I will show you again with this one. So as you can see, I apply a big quantity of the Milky gel. The gel need to be white, but a bit see-through, not completely white, to give this effect of ombre. So as you can see, I apply a big quantity of the white gel, and then I will come to stretch the gel a little bit on every side as well. And when it's done, again I will flip it down and I will make sure all the Milky gel retract to the center. I forgot to tell you, as soon you see your Milky gel doing the effect you was expecting, then you have to cure it like for a minute straight away. If not, the gel will start to melt again and you will lose your ombre effect. So I think for this effect it's very important to do nails per nails. Make sure you cure your nails after every ombre, because if not you will lose the effect of the ombre. So it's very important to cure it after every nails. Et voilà, your Milky ombre or contouring look is done. I really love it. You can see it's very curvy. I absolutely love this look for summer. It will be perfect. You can see very well all the white effect on the top, and underneath or on the contour, the color is absolutely lovely. I love it. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and to like. You can also tag me on Instagram if you create this look. And yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I see you very soon for another video. Bye bye.